Effective communication strategies, explored in this dynamic episode of Priority Problem Solvers, offers viewers a transformative journey into the art of impactful communication. The enthusiastic host guides viewers through key pillars, from active listening to crafting concise messages, conflict resolution, the power of positive language, and building bridges in communication. The practical strategies provided promise to turn viewers into communication maestros, fostering deeper connections and leaving a lasting impact both personally and professionally. The episode concludes with an energetic call to action, inviting viewers to subscribe, like, and engage in a collective communication revolution. This concise and engaging exploration empowers viewers with tangible skills, making it a must-watch for those seeking to supercharge their communication abilities. Thanks for being part of our community. Stay tuned for more life-transforming content.